Let's make this amazing dessert in 5 minutes. This was very crunchy and your kids will love it, trust me. And it's very easy to make and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, I added in eggs, sugar, orange extract, and then I mixed it well combined. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So once everything has come together, go ahead and add in softened butter. Make sure you mix it well combined again before adding in the orange juice, orange zest, and then mix until well combined before adding in the dry ingredients, which is the flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. So mix until everything has come together and then until it has formed a dough. Once it has formed a dough, knead it for about 5 minutes. Don't stress the dough, and then the dough shouldn't be sticky at all. This should be the consistency. Cover it and then you can go ahead to preheat your oil. Let it sit for at least 5 minutes for everything to incorporate well. Go ahead, preheat your oil, sprinkle a little bit of flour on your wet surface and then transfer the dough on it. Divide it into two. Because I was having a smaller surface, that's why I divided mine into two equal parts. But if you have a big working surface, you can just go ahead and roll it very thin. The thickness should be less than 1 millimeter. So once done, go ahead and divide it into a square shape as seen in the video, like long stripes, and then you divide it into a square or rectangular shape. That's very easy, like I said from the beginning of this video. Very easy, so simple. So I use this type of pastry tool cutter to cut this shape. If you don't have it, you can just go in with the normal pizza cutter or a knife and then cut it as you want. When done, flip it like you're folding it as seen in the video. It is very easy and you're good to go. So guys, stay close to it and keep turning it, keep flipping it until it is ready. You do not want to set your fire on medium high. Just let it cook slowly until it is ready. You want it crunchy, so please have time for it and then keep flipping it. That's very easy and this is what you're looking for. When you get to this point, it is ready, golden brown like this, it is ready. Remove it from the oil and drain the excess oil on a paper towel. So guys, isn't it beautiful? This was super crunchy, super delicious, and you will love it. When done, all you have to do is to sprinkle powdered sugar on it and you're good to go. Just look at this. This is not just beautiful, it was super crunchy and delicious. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I know you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and see you in my next video.